Good morning students, this is exercise 14.2 part 5 factorize. Here p power 4 minus 81. So here we are going to do the factorize work. So this is p power 4. So we write as power 2. So p power 2 whole power 2 minus 81. So 9 power 2. Okay, now this is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. This is a square minus b square is given. So we will write as a minus b and a plus b. So a means p square, b means 9, again a means p square, this is plus plus, b means 9. Now again this factorize work is possible, p square minus 9, so a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, so we write a minus b and a plus b. So p minus, this is square root of 9 is 3, p minus 3, then p plus 3. Now this is p square plus 9. This is the final answer, students. In the same way here also, students, you can see a power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b power 4. So first term a power 2 whole power 2, this is minus, then the last term b power 2 whole power 2. Now this is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So we write as a minus b and a plus b. So a means a square. This is minus. B means b square. Then again a square plus b square. A square minus b square. Then a square plus b square. A square minus b square. Then a square plus b square. A square minus b square, then a square plus b square. Okay, next students, if you want to extend this part, you can extend this way also, a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Okay, because a square minus b square, so a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, so a plus b whole square. Now these two examples are very important, students. Okay, this is x power 4 minus y plus z whole power 4. So here, students, we will write this is power 4, so we write as power 2. So x power 2 whole power 2 minus this is y plus z power 2 then whole power 2. Now this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, so we write as a minus b and a plus b. Okay, so this is a square and minus b square. So a means x square. This is minus sign. B means y plus z whole square. Y plus z whole square. Now bracket close. In another bracket, a means x square. This is plus plus. B means y plus z whole square. Y plus z whole square. Now students, here x square, you can see here y plus z whole square, y x square minus y plus z whole square. So here this is again, you can see a square minus b square. A square minus b square is given. So a square minus b square is given, so expansion form is a minus b and a plus b. Now, so a means what? This is x square, so a means x, this is minus sign, b means what? Y plus z. In bracket we will write y plus z. In another bracket, this is a means x square, so means x, then plus b means y plus z. Now students, and remaining this part we will write as it is behind, x square plus y plus z whole square. Now bracket before minus, so when we leave the bracket the sign will change. So this is x, bracket before minus, so y, a plus become minus, then here x plus y plus z. Okay, and this part you can write as it is. So x square plus y plus z whole square. Okay, now we will see the last one, question number 4. So question number 4 is x power 4 minus x minus z whole power 4. Okay students, so here we write as power 2, x power 2 whole power 2 minus this is x minus 2 whole power 2. Okay, this is power 4, so we write as power 2. We write as power 2. Now this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So a square minus b square, so we write as a minus b and a plus b. So a means what? X square. A means what? X square. Minus b means x minus z whole square. Now again a means x square. This is plus sign. B means x minus z square. Now here students you can see we will expand this part. Here x minus z whole square. So we will write as a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square तो means a square minus 2ab plus b square. तो a minus b whole square तो a square minus 2ab plus b square. तो x minus z तो x square minus 2xz plus z square. And second part just now we will write as it is x minus z whole square. Now students this is x square. Now bracket before minus sign. So when we leave the bracket means the sign will change. So this is plus become minus. This minus become plus. And this is plus become minus. Now students here also here x square plus here also we will do the expanded form. So x minus z whole square. So x square minus 2xz then 2xz. This is x minus z whole square. So x square minus 2xz plus z square. Now students here you can see plus x square minus x square cut. Now here 2xz minus z square. This is part 1. Here students x square plus x square. So it is become 2x square. Okay. Now minus 2xz plus z square. Okay. Now here you can see students 2xz minus z square. So z we can take as common. Here z and here z. So remaining is 2x minus z. है ना? 2xz minus z square. So z we take common. So here 2x will remain. This is minus. From z square we take z as common. So z will be remain. And here 2x square minus 2xz plus z square. So this is your factorization work of x square x power 4 minus x minus z whole power 4. Thank you.